Do you need a helping hand in managing your overseas property in Thailand? T1 Property Management is what you need. We offer one-stop property management services such as inspection, furnishing, leasing and concierge services in Thailand to international home buyers from all over the world. Home inspection, whilst often overlooked, is an important part of the home buyer's journey. Our team thoroughly inspects your property and assess the conditions based on industry standards and procedures. You'll be assured of a new, functioning home. Be in good hands with our team dedicated to providing you the best interior design and home furnishing services. We create the ultimate cozy home for you and your tenants. Get your property rented to carefully screen tenants in the shortest possible time for top dollar. We work with well-known rental platforms, real estate agencies and institutional clients to offer maximum exposure of your property and get it rented out as soon as possible. From housekeeping to maintenance, housing loan applications to Thai elite club and visa applications, our integrated concierge services offer you the peace of mind of maintaining an overseas property. T1 Property Management offers the convenience, assistance and peace of mind in navigating the challenges of managing overseas properties. Contact us today to make owning an overseas property in Thailand a breeze.